All right, this is legal Zoom, and this is where I went to get my business license. And like I was telling y'all before, the reason I decided to get my business license is because you're able to get your apparel at wholesale, so you're not paying as much for your blank apparel. So you kind of scroll through here. You got LLC, you got incorporation, you got nonprofit, and some other stuff going on here. So it's pretty much up to you what type of business that you want to have, and so just go to LegalZoom, do your own research, and you kind of scroll around in here and find out what everything is and what everything means. Because when it comes to the legal stuff, to me, I think it's boring, but it's also very important. So when I did my business license, I believe it cost me about, I want to say about, it was like $120 or $150, but that was a couple years ago. And this is what I use, LLC, and this kind of breaks down what a LLC is, because this fits what I was doing at the time. I wasn't gonna have any employers or anything like that, so I wouldn't have anybody on the payroll. So if you're steering in that direction where you're gonna have people working for you, just make sure you pick the the right type of business for your needs. And they're gonna ask you questions. They're gonna ask you, what the name of your business is, what type of services you're gonna provide, and stuff like that. So just be ready to answer those questions. So as we look at the next type of business, which is incorporation, they have a X or S corporation and a C corporation. And it kind of breaks down the differences between the two. Just look through this stuff. Make sure you understand it. Again, the legal part of business is not that fun, but you do need to know a little bit about this stuff. So, LegalZoom does provide a service if you need legal advice. It's like a small monthly fee. I believe I want to say it's like $25 to $30 a month or something like that. I had it and then I decided I didn't need it anymore, so I canceled it. But if you need something like that, you can get that from LegalZoom. This is what they sent me. They sent me a binder with my company name on the binder. It's pretty neat. It comes in some type of container, and I decided to put all my legal documents in this binder. But everything is already set up for you. They pretty much send all your important documents in this binder, and it already has tabs and stuff like that. It's already organized into a binder, and they also send you a book. Uh, Depending on what type of company you're trying to start. I'm doing an LLC, and they have a binder and a book. So if I have any questions about that business, it's in this book. So the first tab is certificate of organization, and LegalZoom sets all that up for me. They already have the certificate of organization set up. The next one is the operating agreement. LegalZoom got all that set up. It's in the binder. And if I was going to do meetings for my business, which I don't do, it's already in the binder. So a lot of the stuff I'm not even going to use certificates. I got my certificate from LegalZoom with my business on the top of it. I just signed it. That's when I started my business. The membership ledger, I don't even know what this is. I don't use it, but if I did, they have it ready for me. And this next tab is just for all my other stuff. And they also send you this little gadget where if you have to imprint a document with your business name on it, you can. I don't ever use this, but I do keep it just in case I need it. And this is an example of how to use it. And they also send you a disc with all your legal documents and your business forms on there. All right, so to wrap this up, the reason I got a business license is so that I can get my apparel at wholesale. I mean, I do keep my own inventory, so I want to make sure I'm not paying full price for my inventory. So when I go to my distributor, they just ask me for my business license number, and the prices dramatically go down. Now, if you're doing print on demand where you don't have any inventory, I'm not sure if you actually need a business license. And I also sell my product at events and at festivals and stuff like that, where I also need business registration. So if you feel like that's a hassle, just stick with print on demand, and you don't have to worry about any of that stuff. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.